Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to simply delete Google Map history. Step by step is tutorial. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to simply head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on settings right here. Now the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to Google right here. So click on Google. The next thing you need to do is simply click on your Gmail account. Then proceed to your Google account. Then click on data and privacy. And you have to simply scroll down right here and go to map timeline. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on the icon right here from the top. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and click on settings right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and go to map history. Then it's going to take you right here. So at this point here, you can decide how you want to delete your map history. So as you can see right here, so you can manually delete your map history by just tapping on this. So click them one after the other, and once you click, it's going to confirm you would like to delete this history. Simply click on delete. So right here, so deletion complete, click on got it. Alternatively, you can simply come to auto delete off right here. So click on that. Then right here, you can choose auto delete. Then select the range of your auto delete. You can put it in 3 months. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on next right here. It simply means that all of your map history in the last 3 months or in 2 months, everything will be automatically deleted. That's simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.